Hi, I'm Paul Bonner, Service Advisor here at Conicelli Hyundai Service Center. This February, let us help you prepare for the road ahead with fantastic savings on the services you need most. Stay ready for winter driving with our winter oil change and tire rotation special. It's just $74.95. Regular maintenance like this keeps your engine running smoothly and your tires gripping the road, no matter what the weather. Looking to save even more? We've got you covered on our Spend and Save program special. You can save up to $150 on same-day service. The more you spend, the more you save. So take care of those repairs and maintenance needs now. Brakes feeling worn? Get $25 off front or rear brake service this month. Stay safe and confident on the road with expertly maintained brakes. Protect your investment with our Warranty Solutions contract and save $100 while you're at it. It's the perfect way to avoid unexpected repair costs and drive with peace of mind. Don't wait. These February specials are only here for a limited time. Call us now at 888-289-5948 or simply visit us at conicelliservice.com to schedule your appointment today. We're here to keep you and your car ready for the road ahead. Conicelli Hyundai Service Center, a nice place to do business.